ACCUPLACER Health Professions Exam Review. Question 1. A study plan assigns 27 review questions per day for 10 days, but 8 are skipped. How many questions are completed? Option A, 270. Option B, 262. Option C, 29. Option D, 486. The correct answer is option B, 262. The completed total is found by multiplying the daily amount by the number of days and subtracting the skipped questions, so the result is 262. The incorrect choices ignore the skipped questions, add unlike quantities, or multiply by the wrong total. Question 2. Add the two review portions 3/4 and 1/4 to find the total part of the assignment completed for review set 30. Option A, 1/2. Option B, 9/8. Option C, 1. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option C, 1. Fractions must be rewritten with a common denominator before adding the numerators, giving 1. The incorrect answers come from adding denominators, subtracting the portions, or changing the denominator without preserving the value. Question 3. Divide 35.4 hours of review equally across 4 sessions. How many hours should each session contain? Option A, 39.4. Option B, 141.6. Option C, 7.08. Option D, 8.85. The correct answer is option D, 8.85. Equal sharing requires division of the total hours by the number of sessions, giving 8.85 hours. The distractors add, multiply, divide by the wrong number, or inflate the quotient. Question 4. If a packet of 170 items is reduced by 20%, how many items remain for review set 30? Option A, 136. Option B, 150. Option C, 34. Option D, 190. The correct answer is option A, 136. A decrease by 20% leaves 80% of the original, so the remaining amount is 136. The other choices subtract the percent as if it were a count, find only the removed part, or increase the amount. Question 5. A review group divides 66 flashcards in a 3:3 ratio between terminology and math. How many terminology cards are assigned for review set 30? Option A, 60. Option B, 33. Option C, 198. Option D, 11. The correct answer is option B, 33. The total is divided by the sum of ratio parts, then multiplied by the terminology part, giving 33. The distractors choose the other share, subtract ratio parts from the total, or multiply by a ratio number without first finding one part. Question 6. Convert 2.0 meters to centimeters for a quick geometry setup. Option A, 20. Option B, 2000. Option C, 200. Option D, 102. The correct answer is option C, 200. Meters convert to centimeters by multiplying by 100, so 2.0 meters equals 200 centimeters. The incorrect options use millimeter or decimeter factors, add instead of convert, or overstate the result. Question 7. Solve 7x plus 12 equals 54 to find the unknown value in a practice equation. Option A, 7. Option B, 5. Option C, 7.71. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option D, 6. Subtracting 12 from both sides leaves 7x equals 42, and dividing by 7 gives x equals 6. The other choices skip a step, divide before isolating the term, or treat the constant as the answer. Question 8. A learner completes 10 practice items per hour for 10 hours and then finishes 4 more. How many items are completed? Option A, 104. Option B, 24. Option C, 100. Option D, 140. The correct answer is option A, 104. The hourly rate is multiplied by time and the extra items are added afterward, giving 104. The other choices add all quantities, forget the extra work, or multiply by the extra items as if they were ours. Question 9. Identify the median of the data set 12, 16, 14, 20, and 18 for review set 30. Option A, 8. Option B, 16. Option C, 12. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option B, 16. The median is the middle value after ordering the data, so the center score is 16. The incorrect choices use the mean, range, minimum, or maximum instead of the middle value. Question 10. A question bank has 25 items, and 10 are flagged as difficult. What is the probability of randomly choosing an unflagged item? Option A, 2/5. Option B, 5/2. Option C, 3/5. Option D, 3/2. The correct answer is option C, 3/5. Unflagged items are found by subtracting flagged items from the total, then dividing by the total, so the probability is 3/5. The other answers use the flagged probability, invert the relationship, or use the wrong denominator. Question 11. A table includes points 0, 6, and 4, 6. What is the slope of this horizontal relationship? Option A, 6. Option B, 4. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option D, 0. A horizontal line has no change in y, so the slope is 0. The other values use coordinates as if they were slope or assume a downward trend that is not shown. Question 12. A supply box measures 9 by 7 by 3 inches. What is its volume in cubic inches? Option A, 189. Option B, 63. Option C, 38. Option D, 19. The correct answer is option A, 189. Volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height, so the volume is 189 cubic inches. The incorrect choices find a face area, a perimeter-like sum, or add one dimension after multiplying. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Clinical students often improve faster when they connect math skills to realistic patient care situations. For review set 30. Option A. Testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B. Applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. Option C. Only memorization matters in health programs. Option D. Long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Applied practice can make academic skills more useful for health programs. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The advisor recommended a math refresher before the applicant retested. For review set 30. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. The applicant likely needs stronger math readiness before placement. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word coherent most nearly mean for review set 30? Option A. Written in medical shorthand. Option B. Based only on numbers. Option C. Unrelated to the topic. Option D. Logically connected and clear. The correct answer is option D. Logically connected and clear. The word coherent is used in academic contexts to mean logically connected and clear. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely defines a technical term before using it in a paragraph for review set 30? Option A. To make the later explanation easier to understand. Option B. To distract readers from the main claim. Option C. To remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A, to make the later explanation easier to understand. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Math placement often affects course sequencing, and health programs may require strong quantitative readiness. For review set 30. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. Quantitative readiness can influence a student's health program pathway. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 30. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 30. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 30. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 30. Option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions before review set 30. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hypotension most likely mean for review set 30? Option A, high blood pressure. Option B, rapid heart rate. Option C, excessive thirst. Option D, low blood pressure. The correct answer is option D, low blood pressure. The word parts in hypotension point to low blood pressure. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 30. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A hypothesis predicts that spaced practice will improve retention. What should the study measure for review set 30? Option A, the color of the notebook. Option B, retention after practice. Option C, the number of chairs in the room. Option D, the brand of pencil used. The correct answer is option B, retention after practice. The dependent outcome should match the prediction, so retention after practice must be measured. The other choices do not test whether spaced practice affects learning.